Private jet charter flights Las Vegas. You can always count on Private Jet Charter Flights Las Vegas to provide you with international and domestic flights when and where you need them. We can make stops along the way and even go one way based upon your needs. We will create a custom plan so you can fly for business or pleasure that goes beyond anything that you would find with a commercial airline. Private Jet Charter Flights Las Vegas has one of the largest and most diverse fleets of charter aircraft obtainable, allowing clients to select the jet that best fits their personal needs and preferences. At Private Jet Charter Flights Las Vegas, you're not just leasing an airplane. You're getting an experience. Our focus is to break the mold of what everyday private jet charter firms do, by building lasting relationships with our customers. We ought to be your only choice for private jets in Las Vegas. When you choose us, you are in control of the private jets that we use. You get to choose the make and model from our fleet to ensure you get what you want. You won't have to acquire any ownership of the jet. You simply pay for the cost involved with the jet. The larger the jet, the higher the cost, though you will be able to take more people with you. We follow all of the FAA regulations, and go above and beyond what is required. Our number one concern is for your safety, so we work with the FAA, the TSA, and various auditing agencies to see to it that everyone has background checks conducted on them and that the charter jets are checked out on a regular basis and before each flight. You gain peace of mind when you fly with us. For more information, please visit our website, www.privatejetcharterflightslasvegas.com, or contact us through phone, 702-441-0705. You can visit our office, 1138 South Rancho Drive, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89106. Private Jet Charter Flights Las Vegas.